All right, happy Tuesday. It's Tech Tip Tuesday at the Loop, and today we're going to be actually showing you a piece of product that we took out of a client's home. So, got a service call from a new client, I would say, and they gave us a call and they said, yeah, we need to have our cameras looked at. We just don't think they're performing as well as they can. We want to make sure our home is safe. Can you guys come out and take a look? We said, absolutely. Went out there and took a look, and as we were going through their cameras, we discovered that one of them in particular had some failures. It wasn't quite working as well as it should. So I'm showing you guys that camera here. You can see just based on the lens alone that this one was a little bit lacking on maintenance and install quality. So if we actually open it up, you can see the entire inside is completely destroyed. So unfortunately in this situation, it had nothing to do with the quality of the camera and it was all about the quality of the install. So in this situation, what happened was the previous company they were working with said, yeah, sure, we can do cameras, we can do them cheap, get in, get out, save you a ton of money. The problem was that when they installed this camera, they simply took this, screwed it up to some textured wood, and called it good. Problem is there's actually an O-ring that sits in here that wasn't installed. There was also no caulking applied around here to prevent leakage, and they didn't seal around the actual wire that goes into the camera. So after about 2 years, the camera failed, and then they called us. Apparently the company that put it in, they either didn't like them or something else happened. But now they end up having to buy a whole new camera, not because there was anything wrong with the camera, but because it was just installed incorrectly. So your tech tip for this Tuesday is when it comes to these cameras, anything you're mounting outside, remember the weather is a nasty one. Make sure and seal around here, okay? If you're doing it yourself, get some high quality 100% silicone, seal all the way around that edge. Any camera should come with an O-ring here also. That's also very, very important. And before you mount it, make sure and throw a good heavy dollop right around that wire to seal around there, okay? Have an install you need some help with, have some questions. Put those comments down below. Let us know. Let us know what you'd like to hear for tech tips, things you're running into, what's important to you and how we can help. All right? Eric with The Loop. Have a great day.